Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir. Wa tammim bil khair. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Today inshallah. Wait a minute. Today inshallah we will start the Dروس اللغة العربية. Juz 2. Book 2. We have learned that there are two kinds of sentences. There is Jumlatul Ismiyah and Jumlatul Fi'liyah. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the inna. What is this inna? This inna is harf-e tawkid. We call it harf-e tawkid and we call it huruf mushabbah bil fi'l. In Arabic, there are two types of the sentences. One, Jumlatul Ismiyah, and the second is Jumlatul Fi'liyah. Jumlatul Ismiyah. What is the Jumlatul Ismiyah? The nominal sentence, al-jumlatul ismiyatu, wherein the first word is a noun. First word of the sentence is a noun, is a ism. Like al-kitabu sahlun. The book is easy. So the first word is ism, al-kitabu. Al-kitabu is ism. So nominal sentence, Jumlatul Ismiyah, it starts with the ism. Al-kitabu sahlun, the book is easy. So the book, this is the subject. This is the mubtada. And is easy is its khabar. Sahlun is its khabar. The noun which commits the nominal sentence is called mubtada. Al-mubtada. What is the mubtada? The noun, the ism, which commits the nominal sentence. Or we can say, which is in the beginning of the nominal sentence. We call it al-mubtada. The second part is called khabar, predicate. The second part of a nominal sentence is called a predicate. So in the above sentence, al-kitabu is mubtada and sahlun is predicate khabar. The second kind of the sentence in Arabic is jumlatul fi'liyah. The second is the verbal sentence al-jumla tul fi'liyatu, wherein the first word is a verb. The first word is a verb, is a fail. The first word is a fail. It commences with the fail. The particle inna is used at the beginning of a nominal sentence. This particle inna is used in the beginning of the nominal sentence. In the jumlatul ismiya. Note that the noun after inna is mansoob. When we will use this inna in the nominal sentence, then the noun will be mansoob. Like al-kitabu sahlun. Al-kitabu sahlun is a nominal sentence. So al-kitabu is mubtada. Sahlun is its predicate khabar. And when we use inna in a nominal sentence, then it will be al-kitaba. Innal kitaba. So al-kitabu, it changed into the al-kitaba. Al-kitabu become here mansoob. That's why we call this inna harfe nasab. This inna is called particle of nasab because it gives nasab to the noun. After the introduction of inna, when we use inna in a nominal sentence, after entering the inna in a nominal sentence, mubtada is no longer called mubtada. Mubtada will not be mubtada. It will be no longer mubtada, but is instead called ismu inna. It will call ismu inna. And the khabar will be no more khabar. Khabar will be khabru inna. What for we use this inna? Inna signifies emphasis. Inna signifies emphasis. It can be translated indeed, surely, no doubt, surely. So according to the sentence, we can translate inna into these meanings. Indeed, surely, no doubt, and surely. And it signifies emphasis, tawkid. If the mubtada has one dhamma, if the mubtada has one dhamma, it will change into one fatah. It will change into one fatah after using the inna in the nominal sentence. Al-mudarrisu, this is a definite noun, al-mudarrisu, because of the alif lam, it is marfa, and mubtada is mostly marfa. Al-mudarris is marfa, and there is a single dhamma at the end. The rāb of the al-mudarrisu is single dhamma. When we will use inna in this sentence, it will change into al-mudarrisa. Single dhamma will change into single fatah. Innal mudarrisa. Al-mudarrisu jadidun, the teacher is new. Innal mudarrisu jadidun, indeed the teacher is new. Indeed, the teacher is new. So this inna is making the mubtada or making the ism mansub. After using the inna, this is mubtada, al-mudarrisu is mubtada, jadidun is khabar. Al-mudarrisu is not mubtada here. It is ismu inna. Al-mudarrisu is ismu inna. And ismu inna is always mansub. Ismu inna is always mansub. And jadidun, it will be khabru inna. And khabru inna is marfu. Khabru inna always marfu. So this inna change mubtada or change ism into the mansub, and it has no effect on the khabar. Khabar will remain same. If the mubtada has two dhamma, if the mubtada has two dhamma, they change into two fatah. It will change into two fatah. Like Hamidun Maridun. Hamidun Maridun. Hamid is sick. Hamid is mubtada. Maridun is khabar. So when we use inna, it will become inna hamidan. So this
Sir, I
hamid,
have a question, sir.
yes,
I have a doubt. In the right, in the left hand side, the upper one, al mudarrisu.
yes.
The ra is majroor there. Am I right, sir?
Why ra is majroor?
The left hand side, upper one, al mudarrisu,
Yes.
mudarrisu.
Mudarrisu, yes.
Yeah. When it's become when we add inna, so right hand side, see the right hand side, upper one, inna mudarrasa. So
Mudarrisa.
मुदर्रिसा
sir,
तस्दीद के नीचे जेर है
there is written fatah on the ra,
Mudarrisa. There is a kasra below the shadda.
but there, sir, the right hand side, see,
There is a
there
kasra
is.
below the shadda.
Oh,
There is a
okay.
tashdid
Oh,
and
it's
there is a
below that.
kasra.
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay. So after using inna, this Hamid is ismu inna and Maridun is khabru inna. And it has two dhamma and two dhamma change into two fatah. Inna hamidan maridan. Okay.
Is.
We call it al-huruful mushabbah bil fail. Inna, we call it also al-huruful mushabbah bil fail. Why we call it al-huruful mushabbah bil fail? Because they act like a fail. They act like a verb. Verb makes make a noun mansoob. When we use the verb, then that verb can make the ism mansoob. So this inna is also making the ism mansoob. That they are acting like a verb. That's why we call it al-huruful mushabbah bil fail. Particles acting like verbs. This is al-huruful mushabbah bil fail. This is harfe tawqid and this is harfe nasab. So there are three names. You can say harfe tawqid. Inna is harfe tawqid. Inna is harfe nasab. Then inna is harf mushabba bil fail. Just now you have learned.
Sir, could you repeat once again, please?
Inna harfe tawqid wa nasab and it is harf mushabba bil fail. Inna has many meanings. Indeed, verily, truly, surely. It is only used in the nominal sentences. It is only used in a jumla tul ismiya. It cannot be used in the verbal sentence. It is a particle of emphasis. Inna is a particle of emphasis. Or harfu tawqid. It makes subject mubtada of the sentence accusative mansoob. The analysis of the nominal sentence changes as follows when it contains inna. When a nominal sentence contains inna, there are the following changes. Just now we have learned al-kitabu is mubtada. Al-kitabu jadidun. The book is new. Al-kitabu is mubtada. Jadidun is khabar. Al-kitabu is marfu. Because it is mubtada, so mubtada always marfu. And jadidun is also marfu because it is khabar. When we use the inna, harfu tawqid wa nasab. Al-kitaba. This marfu change into the mansub. Al-kitabu was marfu. So this al-kitabu changed into the mansub. Here it was mubtada. And after using the inna, it is no more mubtada. It is ismu inna. And jadidun is no more khabar. Jadidun is khabru inna. Jadidun is khabru inna. Now we learn more about inna. If the mubtada is a pronoun, if the mubtada is a pronoun, it changes to its corresponding mansub. If a mubtada is a pronoun, it changes to its corresponding mansub form. Like anta ghaniyun. Anta ghaniyun. You are rich. Anta ghaniyun, you are rich. So anta is mubtada and this is pronoun. Anta is a pronoun. This anta will change into the mansub form. What is the mansub form of anta? What is the mansub form of anta?
Ka.
Ka. Ka is the mansub. Okay. Can we continue the lesson? So ka is mansub form of the anta. This anta will change into ka. This anta will change into ka. Inna ka. Inna ka. And we will write them together. It will become innaka. Innaka ghaniyun. Indeed, you are a rich. Surely you are a rich. No doubt you are a rich. So it is emphasis here. Tawkid. Form mansub for the mansub forms of the pronouns. See exercise lesson number 3. Okay. Exercise 3. Okay. In the lesson, we will learn more about this. In this lesson, there is exercise number 3. So there are the pronouns, but today we will learn here, inshallah. Note that the pronouns of first person singular and plural have two forms. First person singular and plural, they have two forms. If we use it, inna plus ana. Inna plus nahnu. So, what is the form of nahnu? Nahnu mansub is na.
Na.
And ana?
E.
Ya mutakallam. Okay. So here are two forms for the first person for both. Inna, na for the plural. Second is inna, ya mutakallam. So it become inna na. We write them together, we give it shadda. So it become inna. Inna with the shadda. These two nouns, we write them together and give them a shadda. So it become inna. The second is inna and ya mutakallim. So it become inni. This is the first form. Second is
إنني.
we use a noon vikaya. We use a noon vikaya for the first person. Inna noon vikaya plus na. Inna noon vikaya plus ya mutakallam. So it become inna na.
إنني.
It become inna na. And for the first person singular, it become inni. Innani. Innani. You have a choice. You can use any form. You can use innana with the noon vikaya, and you also can use inna without the noon vikaya. Both are the correct. Both are the correct. You can use innani and you can use inni. Both are the correct. What is the noon vikaya? What is the noon vikaya? Noon vikaya, it means the noon of protection. The noon of protection. Noonul vikayatu. As we have seen with inna, when attached to a pronoun, an additional noon is sometimes used. This noon we use. Similarly, okay, can attach pronouns. When we attach, okay, these are the terms they are using with the ya mutakallim. When noon, when inna we use with the ya mutakallam. When inna we will use the ya mutakallam for the first person singular pronoun. What is, often a noon is placed in between. Just now we have learned this noon we placed in between, like inna plus noon plus ya mutakallam. So this noon is noon of protection, noonul vikaya. So when we use this noon, inna, inni, and innani, both, there are two forms. This is without the noon vikaya. Inni, innani is with the noon vikaya. So they both are correct. Here we can learn with the zamair. We will try to attach the zamair. It will be more clear. Inna attached with the pronouns. Damairun muttasilatu. Huwa. There is an example. First we can look at the example. The pronouns damirun is always mansub. The pronouns, muttasil pronouns, attached pronouns. Okay. So they are mansub. When it is attached to inna, when we attach inna with the pronouns, they are always mansub. Huwa tabibun. Huwa tabibun. He is a doctor. And when we use the attached pronoun of huwa, is who. So it becomes innahu. This inna we will attach with the who. Innahu tabibun. Indeed, he is a doctor. Indeed, he is a doctor. So this who is zamir and this is mansub. Inna is harfe tawkid. Just now we learned, and it is also harfu nasab. And this who zamir is ismu inna. Who zamir is ismu inna. And this tabibun is khabru inna. Tabibun is khabru inna. So with the all zamirs, all damirs, all are pronouns, when we attach the inna, it will be like this. So same analysis applies to all. So when we attach with huma, its attached pronoun is huma, same. And when we attach it with inna, it become innahu, innahuma. It become innahuma. You can look here. With whom, its attached pronoun is also whom. It become innahum. And for the third person feminine singular here, attached pronoun is ha. And when we use inna, it become innaha. And when we use for musanna, dual, huma, its attached pronoun is huma. and with the inna it become innahuma. So they are all ismu inna. Who is ismu inna? Huma is ismu inna. Hum is ismu inna. Ha is ismu inna. Huma is ismu inna. They all are ismu inna. Hunna, third person feminine plural. Its attached pronoun is hunna. So it becomes inna hunna. So inna hunna. Hunna is ismu inna. Hunna is ismu inna. And when we use with the second person, anta, second person masculine singular anta, its attached pronoun is ka, and with the inna it becomes innaka, and this is ismu inna. This ka is ismu inna. Same here, antuma, the attached pronoun is kuma. After using inna, it becomes inna kuma, and this kuma is ismu inna. This kuma is ismu inna. Antum, its attached pronoun is kum. After using inna, it becomes innakum. And this kum is ismu inna. Kum is ismu inna. Anti for muannas, second person, singular, anti. Attached pronoun is ki. And after using the inna, it becomes innaki. Inna ki. And this ki is ismu inna. Antuma, musanna, muzakkar, muannas, sorry. Kuma is its attached pronoun or damir muttasil. After using inna, it becomes innakum. And this kuma is ismu inna. And with the antunna, mukhatab muannas jama, attached pronoun is kunna, and after using inna, it becomes inna kunna. Inna kunna. And ana with ya mutakallam. Ana is separate pronoun and ya mutakallam is its attached pronoun. So it becomes inna ni. So this innani is with the noon vikaya, noon of the protection. If we use noon of the protection, it is innani. And if we want to use without the noon of protection, then it is inni. And same with the nahnu, its attached pronoun is na. With the noon of protection, it becomes innana. And without the noon of protection, it becomes inna. Please note the two different variations for these two nouns. There are two different variations for these two pronouns. Which are the two pronouns? Ana and nahnu. So there are the two different variations. Both are the correct. It depends on you which form you want to use. You want to use the innani and you want to use the inni, you want to use innana or you want to use inna. Both are correct. This noon of vikaya, it doesn't have any meaning. This noon of vikaya has no meaning. No meaning. It is we just use for the protection. Any of you have any question? Any of you have any question? Same. There are the sisters of Inna. Why they are the sisters of Inna? Because they react like the Inna. What Inna do? Sisters of Inna also do the same thing. La Allah. La Allah. This is also a particle. This is also a particle. This is haraf. This is a haraf, a particle. What are the sisters of Inna? There are 6 harufs. There are 6 haruf of nasab. There the 6 haruf of nasab. So HON, HON mean huruf of nasab. The 6 huruf of nasab change the subject of a jumlatul ismiya to nasab. They change the subject, the mubtada of the jumlatul ismiya into nasab. That's why we call them huruf of nasab. They are also used around 2281 times in the Quran. So these words, they are used in the Holy Quran 2281 times. This is the information they are giving about the Inna and the sisters of Inna. Every harf of nasab, every harf of nasab has its own meaning. Every harf, it has its own meaning. So means the harf nasab, they have the different meanings. Their grammatical impact is the same. Grammatical impact is same, but they have the different meanings. Hence they are grouped together and called collectively. We call them collectively al-huruf al-mushabba bil fail. Again, harf of nasab has its own meaning, means these 6 harufs, they have their own meanings, they have different meanings, but their grammatical impact is same. What is the grammatical impact of the inna and khawatu inna? They change subject of a jumlatul ismiya to nasab.
Nasab. Yeah.
Yes. So this is their grammatical impact on the jumlatul ismiya. These are 6. There are total 6 harufs. Inna, anna, ka anna, laita, lakinna, and la Allah. Inna mean indeed, anna mean that, ka anna mean as if, laita mean if only, lakinna mean but, la Allah mean perhaps. So these are 6 harufs. The point to remember, they are particle. They are huruf. They are not ism. They are not fail. They are huruf. Particles. So in this lesson, we will learn inna and la Allah. Inna indeed and la Allah mean perhaps. Now we go to in la Allah. This is a particle like inna. It is called one of the sister of inna because they act like inna. La Allah acts like inna, that's why it is one of the sister of the inna. Grammatically, it acts like inna. Grammatically, it acts like inna. It signifies hope and fear. Hope and fear. Hope and fear. Like al-javvu jamilun. The weather is fine. Al-javvu jamilun. The weather is fine. So al-javvu is mubtada and jamilun is khabar. This is jumlatul ismiya. And when we use la Allah with the jumlatul ismiya, it becomes la allal javwa. La allal javwa. After using la Allah, al-javwu change into al-javwa. So it becomes mansub. And its khabar jamilun, it will remain unchanged. There is no change in
As
the.
it is.
We will translate, I hope the weather is fine. I hope the weather is fine. Another example, al-mudarrisu maridun. Al-mudarrisu is mubtada. Maridun is khabar. And after using la Allah, al mudarrisa, maridun. So maridun is no change in the maridun. Al mudarris maridun, the teacher is sick. The teacher is sick. And after using la Allah, I am afraid. La'allal mudarrisa maridun. I am afraid the teacher is sick. So it is using for hope and for afraid. We can use it for these two purposes.
Sir, sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes,
Sir, how we know that it's indicate hope or afraid?
you will know it with the composition of the sentence. Al javu jamilun, jamilun beautiful. So you are not
Sir,
afraid that the weather is beautiful. La'alla al javu jamilun.
yes,
Of course, you are not afraid that the weather is beautiful. The weather is fine. You are hoping that the weather is fine. And if la'alla al mudarrisa maridun,
yeah,
you don't hope that the teacher is sick.
yeah,
You are afraid that the teacher is sick. You cannot hope that your teacher is sick. So with this
yes.
sentence, you can know it.
Okay,
So
sir, clear, sir.
la'alla al mudarrisa maridun, I am afraid the teacher is sick. So it is same. Al Jawwa, la'alla al Jawwa. This is ismu la'alla. Al Jawwa is ismu la'alla. And Jamilun is khabru la'alla.
Khabaru,
La'alla. Same with the la'alla al mudarrisa maridun. Al mudarrisa is ismu la'alla. Al mudarrisa is ismu la'alla and maridun is khabru la'alla. Like here. These are the sisters of Anna. Khawatu Anna, we call them. Akhawatu Inna. Sisters of Inna. Following words are called sisters of Inna because grammatically they act like Inna. They act like Inna. Grammatically they act like Inna. They make the noun following them mansub. That's why we call them harf tawkid, harf mansub. And these are the 6 just now I showed you in another table. Lalla, I hope or I fear. Laita, would that I wish, if only ka'anna, as if, as though. Lakinna, but on the other hand, however. And anna means that. So in this lesson, we will learn about the la Allah. Al-imtihanu sahlun. Al-imtihanu sahlun. The examination is easy. The examination is easy. Al-imtihanu, this is mubtada. And sahlun is khabar. After using la illah, la Allah, la allal imtihana, it become mansub. La allal imtihana sahlun. So khabar will remain the marfu. There is no change in the khabar. So la Allah is harfu tarajji and wal ishfaq, hope and fear. So this al-imtihana is ismu la Allah. This al-imtihana is ismu la Allah and sahlun is khabru la Allah. Same we can use with the pronouns also. As just now we learned inna with the pronouns, we can use la Allah with the pronouns also. Any of you have any question about the today lesson?
No, sir, all clear. All clear.
The other students? Any of you have any question about the today lesson? You can ask now. Tomorrow we will continue.
Sir, which book is it, sir?
This is Dروس اللغة العربية book 2. I will share it after the class. In the groups, I
Okay,
have
okay, sir.
already
Thank you,
shared
sir.
book 1, book 2, book 3. I already have shared. Maybe some of you joined the group late. You don't have the book. I will share it again. You can download
Okay,
it
sir.
from
Thank
the
you, sir.
group. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, we finish our lesson here. Inshallah, tomorrow we will complete the lesson. إلى اللقاء مع السلامة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Walaikum
Waalaikumsalam
assalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakumullah khairan. Barakallahu fikum.
Amin.
Amin.
Ustaz.
Sama-sama.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.